Do you own gold jewelry as well? Like, yeah, of course. Yellow gold, white gold. Person.
I will CR.
I wanna pee too.
Okay, you go first.
But I'm lazy, so you go first.
Wanna go muna, then I'll take it.
It's okay. I think I'll just pee at home.
At home?
At home is literally right there.
Ah, okay.
Pwede focus kay KD.
No,
Ipakita ka na. Baka sabihin nila pinagdadamot kita.
No.
Ayan na. Ayun niya. Shy daw siya. Lippy from Clarence. What happened to his hair? I don't know.
It's short.
It's in an awkward phase.
Awkward face.
Please don't cut it short anymore.
Oh, ang init sa Pinas eh.
Bumili ka ng Jisulay.
Guys, gusto niyo ba ng short hair, long hair?
Long.
Long.
Whose opinion matters? Mine or them?
Siyempre sa'yo.
Exactly. See? Longer.
Longer.
Long hair. See? They're on my side.
Ang init sa Pinas eh.
Tawag mo naman sa ulo ko. Oh.
Oo naman. I like the low maintenance. Love is an open door. Door.
When you pee, we can pay and then go na.
Okay. CR na ako, guys. Sorry.